In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer file ownership on Google Drive with this step-by-step tutorial for 2025. Let's dive right into it so you can effortlessly pass on the reins to someone else when handling shared documents or projects. First, you'll want to open Google Drive and make sure you're signed in. Google Drive is your go-to platform for storing and sharing files online, all integrated seamlessly with your Google account. Once logged in, take a moment to locate the folder that you want to transfer ownership of. It's crucial that you select the correct folder to ensure the intended person gains control of the right files. After you found the folder, go ahead and give it a right click. A menu will pop up, and from this menu, you'll want to select Share. This action opens up a sharing window revealing the current access privileges for different users linked to this folder. Now, in this sharing window, you'll need to check whether the person you want to transfer ownership to is already listed among the people with access. If they aren't, simply type their email address into the designated field to add them. Once their email is there, or if they're already listed, look next to their name. You'll see a drop-down menu which likely reads Editor at this point. Click on this drop-down menu. This is where you'll adjust their permissions. From this drop-down list, choose Transfer Ownership. This option will initiate the next step in the process. Changing someone's permission from editor to the owner is significant, as it grants them full control over the folder and its contents, allowing them to modify sharing settings and even remove your access at a later point. So it's a move you should be sure about. Once you've selected Transfer Ownership, it's time to confirm your choice. You may be prompted with a confirmation message asking you to send invitation, or in some cases just a simple yes to finalize the transfer. Go ahead and confirm your action here. It's reassuring to know that the new owner will immediately receive an email notification letting them know that the ownership has been transferred. This ensures they're promptly aware of their new role and responsibilities regarding the folder. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully transferred ownership of a folder in Google Drive, granting someone else the capacity to manage and update the contents as needed. As always, remember to be cautious when transferring